Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to turn the notification on for more updates.
What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SS Tech Tutorial. So guys, if you love Raspberry Pi 3, then I know you will like this video too. Because today in this video I will guide you about installing Chromium operating system on your Raspberry Pi 3. So guys, without talking too much, let's get started. To install Chromium OS, you need to have a Raspberry Pi 3, a class 10 memory card with the memory card reader or adapter, an external Wi-Fi USB adapter. In this case, I will use TP-Link WN722N version 1. And also I will use my mini wireless keyboard with the touchpad to control my Chromium Pi OS. You will find all those device links are on description below, so check them out from there. Okay guys, first you need to flash the custom Chromium operating system for Raspberry Pi 3 on your micro SD card. So connect your SD card with the PC using the memory card adapter and reader. Okay guys, now first you need to download the Chromium OS zip file. You will get a ISO image file into this zip folder. I will put the download link on description below, so you can download this Chromium OS from there. Okay guys, now open up your SD card formatter and format your SD card with it. Then open Win32 disk imager and flash the Chromium operating system file in SD card. Also, you will find all the download link of this SD card formatter and Win32 disk imager on description below. It's gonna take some time to flash the ISO image file on SD card, so just wait until it completed. Okay guys, now flashing is completed. Now you need to connect your SD card with the Raspberry Pi 3. So insert your SD card to your Raspberry Pi 3 in micro SD card slot. Now connect your external USB Wi-Fi adapter with the Raspberry Pi 3. Because Chromium did not support the onboard Wi-Fi card on Raspberry Pi 3. Now for keyboard and mouse, I am going to use this mini wireless keyboard with the touchpad. Let me connect it. Okay guys, now we have to connect the monitor and the power source. I am going to use my desktop monitor with the Raspberry Pi 3 using the HDMI adapter. And for the power source, I will use 5.2 volt adapter with the USB cable. So guys, now you can see here my Raspberry Pi 3 is on. And in the monitor, you can see the first screen of Chromium operating system. Here you have to select the language, the keyboard layout, and connect your Pi with the Wi-Fi. On the next page, you will get the sign-in screen of Gmail account. Also, you can use this as a guest user. So guys, here is your Chromium OS. It is running on Raspberry Pi 3. So guys, I hope you like this video. So don't forget to smash the like, subscribe and the bell icon. I am Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SS Tech Tutorial and I am signing out.